Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. Welcome to Backspace. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to change the ribbon color in Microsoft Word to customize your workspace and improve your user experience. Whether you prefer a colorful theme or clean dark mode, Word allows you to personalize the interface easily. Instead of using the default look, you will discover how to switch between colorful dark gray, black and white themes directly from Word settings. So let's get started. We can see here the colorful or the blue theme. Now you want to change the theme, go to the file menu, select the option, then go to the general, and we can see here that office theme is colorful. Now I am make dark gray, then click OK. We can see we change the color of the ribbon dark gray. Go back again, then select white, then click OK. Then we can see we change the ribbon color is white, but otherwise you can change again the colorful. Now you can see we change the ribbon color easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.